Today is June the 16th, 2022, and I'm doing an update on the bridge construction on Redland Road. It's my understanding that they are going to start pouring concrete in the morning, June the 17th. So be ready for the traffic. Anyway, this was taken on June the 3rd to show you where they were at then. And now, this is today, June the 16th. And like I said, it's my understanding that they're going to start pouring concrete tomorrow on the bridge. Anyway, we're going to go up to the curve at Rifle Range. They've got the cement divider down the middle of the road there, which is new, and they've taken it down from Rifle Range where they had it prior. So we're going to go around the corner here. Not quite sure how they're going to finish out that lane, that turn lane for Rifle Range. It'll be interesting. There you see the prep work for that lane, that turn lane that turns off of Redland Road onto Rifle Range. And there you see the lanes and the cement barricade and so forth there. And now we are going to go up to the water tower on Redland Road and the completed roundabout. To me, it looks pretty good. I think they finished it out real well. And of course, we also have the construction of the grocery store on the corner, the fire tower and Redland Road. Great addition to the community. There you see how the different lanes operate there at the roundabout. These next few clips are going to be speeded up to give you more of an idea of what kind of flow there is, because there really just wasn't that much traffic when I was there today. But it looks like everybody's navigating it real well. Now this is looking from the Dozier Road side, and everything is working smoothly. You get the idea now. Now there's a different view of the construction, the grocery store construction. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.